Hi, this is Patrick from Anderson Design and Fabrication. Today we'll be showing you how to install your brand new rear headliner Molle Rack. All right, nice thing about these rear headliner Molle Racks is these fit multiple years, makes and models across Subarus, including other platforms. Our new split piece modular design allows that wide range of fitment. If you don't see a fitment on our website, send us an email and we can get some dimensions, and then we can also fit it to your model too. All right, now let's start assembly. We take our center bracket. There's currently two different models. There's a 41 and a 38, which are marked. We want to take that center bracket, take 4 of your button Allen heads and slide them in place. Then we take our outer and lay them right on top. Once that's done, we take 4 flange nuts and get them snug. Before you tighten these down entirely, we want to install the other 4 on the outer portions. All right, flip the rack over, and you'll take, it's a 5/32 Allen, and you start tightening the bottom face ones first. Make sure these are really tight. Once those 4 are tight, now we can tighten up these, and then the rack will be ready to almost install. Note to anybody installing these themselves, it's best to have it laid on a flat surface so each piece is parallel with each other. All right, rack is all assembled. Now we can start to install it in the car. All right, now that the rack is assembled, now we can begin to remove the grab handles. We want to pull the handle down, and there are little tabs up here. They are different each make and model. Some have clips. These ones, you just press this little clip and then pull up. Press that little tab, pull up. That comes right out. On the inside, there are these little metallic clips. Handle removed. Now take a pair of pliers, and you see these small tabs up there. Grab those, and you remove the clip. All right, now that this side is done, now repeat the process on the other side. All right, now we can install our SB bracket. Depending on which year, make, and model, we have multiple sizings, multiple different brackets. On this model, we have the square holes to mount to, so we need to make sure that we're using our T-nuts. Once those slide into place, they'll lock into place and prevent it from spinning. So now we can install this. Now we can take our M bracket with the nutserts, our socket cap, bolts, and the remaining flange nuts and install those to the bracket. Now don't tighten these all the way because this bracket is telescoping, so it'll account for the angle in the headliner depending on which make and model you have. All right, now we can install our M bracket. This will go on the inside Slide your socket caps in. Now don't tighten them all the way because we need to get the main tray mounted up before that. That way it can allow this bracket to mount in the correct location. Now you can repeat the process on the other side. Now that we have both sides mounted, we can install the main tray. Last portion of the installation, use the T-bolts and mount to the slotted holes to the main mounting brackets in the vehicle. It does help if you do have 2 people, as the bracket is a little long, but it can be installed with 1 person pretty easily. Okay, now we can begin to install the rack using the T-bolts. All right, once things are mounted on both sides, we can finish by tightening up the 2 socket cap screws up here, and then the installation's all done. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out at awdadventure.com.